Hey, this is Scott Perdue with a FlyWirePSA update number 2 for my intraocular lens replacement experience. And I just did my post-op follow-up for my left eye, and I got a clean bill of health 20/20 in both eyes, so I'm cleared to go. And it's good. I'm not having any problems, and it's fantastic to be able to read again. Without cheaters, and I don't know. I'm just marveling at modern technology, especially medical technology. Pretty thankful here, but just because I'm cleared to go and I don't have any restrictions anymore, that doesn't mean that I can go flying. So I started off this thing with the idea that it would. Everybody was telling me, yeah, it takes about a month, for your vision to stabilize, and then you're good to go. Well, due to a FlyWire fan who saw one of my previous videos, they contacted me and told me that, hold on, kid, that's not quite the story. And I was able to find this this form right here that the FAA put out on, the 27th of August in 2025, so it's pretty recent. And what it says is if you have monocular lens implant, a standard implant, it's only 2 weeks that you're down post-op. There's some caveats there. Light adjustable lenses are 6 weeks total, to include 2 weeks after the final. And if you did presbyopia correcting lenses or multifocal lens like I did, it's actually 3 months. Okay, yikes. So that was a big surprise, but what can I say? It is what it is. And I thought about it, and I realized that, well, I'd rather be able to see than not. So and not have to wear glasses all the time. So I'm okay with taking the risk, but I wish I'd known it so I could plan for it. So that's why this update is important for you to see. And it is, that form, by the way, was really hard to find. It wasn't, the FAA's website is, it must make sense to somebody, but I don't know who. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this form with the link down below as a Dropbox for you to go. If you're interested in it, you can go get that form, and then it'll help you in your experience too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on FlyWire.